I am seriously thinking about buying just like a cheap car and then putting it on the track. Or rallycross. No, I'll enter it in rallycross.
XL.
Not
Hyundai XL.
Sexel.
Actually, no, they've got like niche cult following now because P-platers.
Yeah.
So I feel like
P-platers have discovered that you can put a Hyundai XL into a wall and still drive it home. And we have proved this.
That's fine.
Just some spit and grease.
We can do this at twice the speed now. Let's try it again for science. With the gaffer tape, we'll see if it's stronger than an XL.
it was cheap duct tape too. Nah, but seriously, like if you were to go down that path, I would XL. Buy that MX-5 off James for nothing. Because he hates that car as much as I did.
What?
I mean, I hated that car too, and I still drive it whenever I can.
So basically this is the Wickham Terrace?
Yeah.
It's one of the Wickham Terrace car parks, but the plan is to try and take photos with these buildings in the background.
I'm going to throw this half full V into that car in a second. I will turn it off. Giving us a bad name.
Yay! Holy shit, there's actually a cool car here. Oh, there's two cool cars here.
Is that an H?
Not a real Hachi and a real Hachi.
Pass. Where can I park the fridge? Ah. No, officer, there's no drugs in the car.
Yeah, but what's your treads like?
You, thank you very much.
I'm going to tell that story. That's a fun story.
Okay, so go back like maybe 2 weeks. I must be 3. Me and Sam went up our local run during the day, went to a coffee shop, got breakfast and whatever, and then we like decided to swap cars. So he took the 86 for a run and I took that for a run. And I like come through a corner, put the boot into it, and there's a cop that's pulled over another car. So he waved us in, I kept going, but then turned around and come back because Sam in my car with a roll cage and bucket seat and everything, I was like, man, he's gonna get in trouble. Like he's So I turned around and went back, I pulled in, cop freaked out too. He was like, dude, why did you come back? So he's gone over my car, it was a little bit low, whatever. Sam got 1 point for driving a defective vehicle. But then the car I drove back in, Sam's Focus, fouled everywhere on the wheel, bald tyres. They weren't happy with so many things on that poor car. I ended up only getting in trouble for the bald tyres and the height, but not a fun day, not a fun day.
And I got shafted on Sunday.
Ooh,
yeah.
Let's talk about that. No, let's talk cop stories. Because I don't know about that either.
Yeah, so Sunday went up, Wivenhoe Dam. Sam, a couple of the others were there, so I went up there. On the way up, just me, I was late. And undercover bike pulled me over. Got me for...
Was it Sweeney?
Yes, it was, funnily enough. It got me for PCV, catch can, vent to atmosphere, some other stupid shit. Battery not really like stable, pod filter not secure, stupid shit. He was nice in the end. He only 1 point, $100 fine. So he was nice in the end. Let me go with a warning, kind of thing. So it was 1 point, $130 fine, and like minor defect. And my cut bonnet too. My bonnet's been cut to fit the K24, so he got me for that. So I have to reinforce that somehow. I'm either gonna weld some sheet steel on it or just get another bonnet and hammer the fuck out of it.
It's like part of the criteria to be part of the grip runner regulars.
Does your car brake twice a week? Check.
Mine doesn't, it's just gross.
A big piece of shit? Yes. Do you have mismatched paint panels or smashed in panels? Check.
Yes, yes.
Oh my god, this is a body boot.
Holy f***.
This party three's a crowd.
Can we spoon?
Good night, Jen.
Why'd I buy a wagon Prado? I could have just slept in the back of one of these.
I could die in one of these.
Sleep in this.
They built them as hearses, as limousines, as stretch limos.
I want a hearse one.
Honestly, if you ever get the chance to buy a hearse, buy a hearse because it's never gone over 40.
It's just preparation.
Okay, so basically we are really terrible with doing these vlogs and outros and stuff like that because we forgot to finish the vlog when we were up there. So instead we thought we might cover some stuff that has changed or is changing.
Yeah, okay, so Macca discovered that it's very hard to run a vlog and a merch and an Instagram and do photography all by himself. And also work.
Yeah.
So myself and that blonde bearded man, basically Tobias and myself have decided, because we've both shown a lot of interest in these vlogs and helping out.
Man, you've got a GT86.
I need to get.
You're like. I'm surprised you can find time to do this between, you know, managing your Instagram account.
He decided to bring us on board to help out, which is what we've been doing. And in that, you know, we still don't produce anywhere near enough content to keep this YouTube channel alive. We've both got cameras, we both go out and vlog and go,
I'll be honest, when people start ordering stickers, I'm like, hey, you actually remember we exist.
Tobias can handle that.
In saying all that, I haven't had much time to do all this sort of stuff at the moment. Plus, I'm currently working on a pilot for a documentary series that looks into underground street culture and stuff like that. So I've been trying to focus on getting that out to see if we can get a budget and stuff like that to do a fully fledged series. So that's where all my time has been going to recently, or my free time at least. He's just been lazy.
I have my own channel and I can't even pull my finger out to edit the videos for that.
So thus you're lazy.
Oh boy, am I lazy. And events. We want to start doing a few events, like...
I would like to do car meets, but instead of car meets, actually have them at the track and have people on the track. Because...
Or even like down to skid pan days, man. Just anything that we can get people excited and passionate and...
to drive.
Out there driving.
Like,
that's always been our thing.
Yeah, we've also got World Time Attack coming up.
You do.
I've got World Time Attack coming up. Tobias, myself, Jack, Chili, Kyle, Hayden, and other people we don't know is coming. Part of the group is coming. We don't know who's going. A lot of us are going, and that's hopefully going to make up for the fact that we have not had enough content for a while. So, yeah. There's good stuff on the horizon.
You just got to bear with us a little bit longer, because as it turns out, there's not a whole lot to do in Brisbane. Shocker. You got to go all the way to Sydney just for something interesting to happen.
Ooh, the cars are going to break down, guaranteed. They can't make it to the shops and back, and we're about to take them to Sydney.
Yeah, they're driving. There's two that are smart enough to fly. The rest of them are driving to Sydney from Brisbane.
Oh, they're not entirely smart. We got to pick them up, so they're kind of relying on us.
But yeah, please, guys, like and subscribe, watch our videos, deal with our ads, just click through them.
We might be trying to focus more on doing Facebook videos, so you have to hit the notification thing on Facebook, otherwise you'll never see it again after you hit like, so yeah.
But get on it. We really appreciate any support we get, so...
Yeah.
It's come a long way from a couple of dickheads running around with cameras.
It's flashing at me, it's telling me...